Hi everyone, just doing a quick video. So I've decided to start revamping my desk at home that I've got. I'm working from home, so I've started looking at Amazon, and ideally I wanted to be able to do it in a budget. I wanted to try and do it under £100. One of my key things aside the desk already, and monitor, and in terms of devices, laptop, I wanted a mount where it allowed me to have a bit more workspace. So I wanted to have a monitor mount as well as a laptop mount that allows me to move it however high I wanted to, instead of keep putting it in top of boxes or so. So giving me that freedom, plus any other accessories or so. So initially I just wanted a mount, which I've got here. This is the ErGear monitor mount. So this is a double screen one, which I'll be doing an unboxing today, and included in there is the laptop or hopefully iPad holder as part of the mount. So one will be the monitor, one will be the laptop. So today we'll have a look at this come through. I did see some, I believe Amazon do one which is a bit more pricier, but I did want to stay under that £100 mark. So this I believe was just under 60 quid. I believe they were on deal. I will put a link onto the website and the price in terms of this video. They had it at just under 80 quid, but they were doing I believe it's 19% off or so from the price. I will put all the information on the video, and a link if you're looking to get one as well. But looking at monitor mounts, especially for a double one, it was quite difficult to see which ones are good, which one will be good quality. There's so many variants out there, especially on Amazon. This one kind of captured my eyes in terms of hopefully the depth, how big it is, because I didn't want a really big one. I wanted one that was quite simple in there. So I will do video today just unboxing this one now, and then I am doing another video where I'm completely revamping my desk, installing these, which will also demonstrate how easy it is to install these on there. But yeah, let's just have a look at what's inside this box. Okay, so we've got the box here. So if we get an opening knife, I'm pretty excited actually to have this monitor stand. I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube of people having these stands on there and working from home, as most of the time will be now. It'll be really interesting to see just how much more space I can get with this and all this stuff in there. So let's just have a look at it. It's got a little note here, and I believe this is the booklet. This is the ErGear monitor desk mouse. So this is the dual one with two screens on there. So have a look. Okay, so this is pretty heavy. It's quite alarming in terms of being able to actually stick it on this, and if it's going to be able to hold it. It's tricky to come out. Okay, so it's already mounted one, so it's not one of those that you need to put together. So it does seem that it's already mounted in there, so hopefully just need to mount it onto the desk. And then the monitors here, it's got the other pieces, but let's have a look at this first. Oh, that was a bit powerful. To follow the instructions, it says let's read this first. So if I did read that, would have seen it that it will slam open on there. Thankfully no one got injured. So we do have the arms on there. I will be making a separate video, of course, as I mentioned, kind of installing this and seeing exactly how it looks on there. But this is the initial one, and then the rest of the items are on there. These go part of the arms. These are to hide the cables at the bottom. So when we're installing this will go in there, and I believe the cables go in, so it helps the cable management on both sides. We've got the mounts, of course, which will go onto the desk, and this one does have two, so hopefully you'll be able to support it. And then it does have the ones for the monitor, and various of screws on there. It's got various screws against for the monitors, and it does have dual panel, and it does have two of these in there as well. So that's the dual monitor mount. The monitor mount, just to have a sort of idea, in terms of the size. So they are less thick than I thought they would be, which is a really good sign. I was worried that they may be too thick. It will still be interesting to see what they look like once it's put on the desk there, but first glance is quite positive, should I say, on there. They do seem quite sturdy as well. It does take a bit of strength to move them around, but I'm sure once it's there, that is a good sign, because hopefully once you do place them where you want them, you just kind of be able to either support the monitor on there, and then it does have these bits in there that if you are looking at, let's say the monitor is a lot more heavier than the laptop or the iPad, it allows you to unscrew them or screw them, depends if you want to give the arm more strength or less strength, be able to hold the device on there. But I will do an explanation on that in the video as I'm doing the desk as well. Okay, so I did buy separately. This is to go on one of the arms. This is the laptop, hopefully, and iPad holder on there. Here we go. So let's just have a quick look at this. So this is the official Amazon. In the box we've just got the mount, got the booklet, and some of course of the strings and various pieces to be able to stick it in the certain screws in there. Got the booklet that will explain what it is. As I said, I will put a link onto this onto the description on there, so if you are looking at getting one, you'll find it. And then so this is the mount. As I said, what happens is these will come out, so I will show it in the next video. These will come out. This is where the laptop / iPad will stand, and this will help it support in terms of staying, so you can unscrew these, do them however, whatever distance you want. Got this thing here, allows you to screw them up. Unscrew this one, turn it whichever way you wish, of course depending on what various of devices you're using. So one of the other ones will go on here, so hopefully this just sits up wherever I want, be able to support the laptop or whichever device I want to put on there. So this is the dual mount and the laptop holder. So this is the dual mount on there, and also the laptop holder on there as well. So if you do want to see how they turn out on the desk, then I will say have a look at my channel. There will be a video on there. I will try to put the link onto this one that shows the desk transformation from what it was before to what it looks after, hopefully with tweaks to making it much more simple. As always, thank you for watching. If you do want to see more videos, I will be looking at doing some unboxing videos. I am more focused on doing some traveling videos at the moment, as I've been through various countries and looking at putting those through together on there. So please do subscribe and do like the video as well. That will help me a lot. Do appreciate it. Thanks.